Okay, so I just read about this werewolf early warning system, which basically tracks the moon phase through coding. How cool is that?
No way. So how does it actually figure out the moon phase? Is it something really technical?
Yeah, it uses the moon's age in radians and some wild math formulas. It's like nerdy astrology for programmers.
That's fascinating. But wait, why radians? Why not something simpler like degrees?
Good question. Radians just make some mathematical functions cleaner. Like with radians, you can easily use sine and cos.
Ah, right. So it's about efficiency. But how does this connect to the werewolf idea? Like, is there a full moon indicator?
Totally. So the code can determine when the moon is full, which is traditionally linked to werewolves. It's kind of humorous.
That gives me chills. So if I run this code, I could warn my friends about werewolf nights.
Exactly. And it gets even crazier. There's actual math involved to calculate the illuminated fraction of the moon.
Oh, wow! I'm trying to wrap my head around this. So you multiply radians to get the moon's age in days?
Exactly. You take the radians, turn them into a fraction, and then boom, you have the lunar age in days, like almost 29.5.
That is so clever, and there's a phase index too. How does that tie into the moon phases?
Right. The phase index gives you the exact phase name and even emojis. Who knew coding could be this fun?
Wait, emojis? So how does it determine which one fits the phase? Is it based on the illuminated fraction?
Exactly. The function checks the illuminated fraction against specific ranges to decide which moon emoji to use.
Haha, I can't believe we're discussing moon emojis. It's like coding meets lunar mythology.
And it all traces back to this old GUI program. John Walker's got some serious moonlighting skills.
John Walker? Wait, the same guy who created Moontool? This just keeps getting wilder.
Yes, he used practical astronomy with calculators back in the day, and now it's evolved into this.
This is blowing my mind. It's amazing how something so complex is based on a simple lunar cycle.
Right? Plus, it's a fun way to mix science with folklore. I mean, who wouldn't want to know about werewolves?
Exactly. And using coding languages like Python or JavaScript for this is really accessible.
For sure, Python's especially great for beginners, and it can execute this lunar age magic pretty easily.
So, in your opinion, if someone wanted to start, Python would be the best choice for this project?
100%. Everything's more straightforward in Python. Plus, the community support is huge for troubleshooting.
That makes sense. And wouldn't it be fun to add a feature that alerts you when it's a full moon or new moon?
Oh, totally. Imagine getting notifications to plan a werewolf-themed party. It could be a blast.
Haha! I'm in! And I love how it combines fun elements of programming and mythology.
Right? And it shows how coding isn't just about logic, there's creativity involved too.
Exactly. There's so much more to it than just written code. It's a tool for storytelling.
Yes. And this moon phase idea could inspire so many creative projects, maybe even art installations.
Wow, imagine visualizing the moon phases over time in a gallery. That could be stunning.
Oh wow, that would be incredible. It's like merging science, art, and technology into one experience.
I love how this discussion started with werewolves and turned into a whole artistic direction.
Yeah, and it all stems from understanding moon phases, which is just a cycle in itself.
Exactly. It's almost poetic when you think about how these ideas are all interconnected.
And the beauty in making such complex calculations simple through code is impressive.
Right? It's like turning mathematics into a language that creatively expresses nature.
So, what do you think this says about how we can integrate technology into our daily lives?
It shows that technology can enhance our experiences, blending fun with knowledge and creativity.
Exactly. And that challenges us to think differently about code. It's not just lines on a screen.
Totally, and it sparks curiosity, like how else can we creatively use code to explore the world?
Maybe the next step is figuring out how to apply this philosophy to other natural phenomena.
Oh, that's an exciting thought, like tracking migrations or seasons through similar coding logic.
Yes, and think about the potential for education. Kids could learn coding through engaging topics like this.
It's such a balanced approach, math, science, creativity, all wrapped in tech. Fascinating.
So what's the takeaway here? Combine your interests, like coding and the moon, for something unique.
Absolutely, and it invites us to creatively explore different fields. I'm inspired.